Hey guys, good morning. It is Sunday, it's another day, it's another vlog, and why is it wet all over this counter? Today is Mia's and Jerry's last day in Denver with us. Mia and Jerry and I are gonna go ahead and get dim sum. I have not had dim sum since I was literally in like high school. It's been so long. Look at my pretty Mia. I'm so sorry, I've been so bad at vlogging the last few days. It's just really hard when I just want to hang out with my friends and not shove a camera in their face. So we're gonna try to do better today, no promises. All right, here's today's outfit. I am wearing this top from Princess Polly, and then these jeans are from PacSun. A lot of you guys are saying, isn't Princess Polly fast fashion? Yes, Princess Polly is considered fast fashion, but I do believe their quality is much better than H&M and Forever 21. They don't sell things that are like $6 to $10. Normally their stuff ranges anywhere from like $30 and above. I mean, I'm not perfect, guys. I've never been perfect, never said I was perfect. I just said I try to stay away from fast fashion as much as possible. That does not mean I always do, because my work is in fashion and beauty, so sometimes I do get sent things that are definitely considered fast fashion. Not perfect, just wanted to clear that up. It's crazy. It's such a beautiful day in Denver right now. It's 40 degrees and it's crazy that I'm so used to this weather that I'm literally wearing a crop top. Normally I'd wear 3 layers in 40-degree weather. I get to drive Matt's car. Matt is not coming with us. He's just not feeling good. We've just been eating out so much and he just wanted to eat really healthy today and work out. So that's what he's doing with his brother. So he's having some bro time. Made it. Woo! Oh my god, we got a half order of Peking duck. Yum. That looks bomb. Oh, yum.
Hell yeah.
This is so fire. This place is so good. We're going to the mall now. We're just gonna chill out and hang out at the mall, buy some clothes. We're of course at the Cherry Creek Mall, which is like hands down my favorite mall at the moment. I'm at Zara right now and I don't know why, but I really like this top, except it's in an extra large, but it literally says Aries on it. I'm in Aries and a Cancer rising, so like I feel like this is meant for me, but I can't find a size for me. But it's so cute.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone.
Thank you. You're welcome. Little update here. We're currently at Nordstrom's and Matt and I are putting in an offer for a house. Oh my god. I'm excited, but like I can't get as excited as I was the first time because we tried not to super fall in love with this house. It's definitely such a good investment property. I don't know if we're gonna get the house. We might be disappointed again, but I'm not gonna let my heart break like last time. But I'd be super stoked if we got this house. Hey guys, so we just got home a little bit ago, like an hour ago, and Mia and Jerry and I just like chilled and watched YouTube videos. But I wanted to show you guys what I got from Lush and Sephora. I already know that I purchased quite a bit of things, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm really happy with my purchases and I feel like these are things I'm actually gonna freaking use. So the first thing I got was stuff from Lush. I ran out of pretty much all of my like good bath products from Lush, and I was super excited to get stuff from them. I didn't want to buy any new clothes because I feel like I'm going to be going home to LA pretty soon and I don't need anything new. So I did get things from Lush. The first thing I got is the Honey Lip Scrub from Lush. They didn't let us smell anything or open anything up, so I'm so happy that smells good, because I feel like Lush, 90% of the things smell really good and 10% of the things are like, holy shit, I do not want that anywhere near my body. So this actually smells really good. The next thing I got is a massage oil bar. This is a honey one. I forgot what it's called, but this is a massage oil, so you pretty much just warm it between your fingers and it turns into an oil that you massage into your skin. I got this because my skin has been so drying in Denver and I wanted something that was really good quality. And then I got a cleansing bar. This one has chamomile, oat milk, and something else in it, but I've been thinking about using things like this that have less packaging and waste, and I just wanted to try a cleansing bar for my face. Normally I would hate to use a bar of soap for my face, but this looked really promising. And then the next thing I got is a body scrubber from the massage bar. Again, it's because I have really dry skin and my skin has literally been flaking off. It's kind of disgusting. It's just an exfoliant. It has coffee beans in it. I love honey scented items. Really good. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use all of these items while I'm in Denver, but also while I'm back in LA. But I'm actually more excited about the things I got from Sephora. I got a couple of things from Sephora. 2 of them are actually gifts. Andrew and Matt have been stealing my freaking favorite Laneige lip sleeping mask. So I decided to purchase both of them. The lip glowy balm. I'm not entirely sure if it's like the same thing as their lip sleeping mask. I hope it is, but they've literally been stealing mine left and right, and I'm like, I just need to get you guys your own. So I got that for both of them. I just wanted to get them a cute little gift. And then I got the Sick Repair Rescue Kit from Dr. Jart. I have been wanting this product for the last 4 months. It's been sold out everywhere, and I was like, let me just try to actually go inside Sephora and see if they'll have it. But if you guys don't know about this product, it is viral on TikTok. It's really good at color correcting red skin. So I get pretty red skin around my nose area for sure, and whenever I have pimples and stuff, it's really red. But I'm actually obsessed with this product because my friend Allison, she used to have really acne prone skin when she had very, very red skin, and I think I saw her a year ago and I was like, holy shit, are you wearing makeup? She was like, I'm not wearing any makeup, all I'm using is the Dr. Jart color correcting treatment. I was like, okay, like I actually need to try that. It was 4 mini size products for $40, and I think that's a pretty good deal. And the last thing I got, I'm actually really excited that I got, because my birthday is not until March. But a little hack, if you guys didn't know this, if it's not your birthday month, you can still ask for your birthday gift from Sephora. So it's February. I asked if I could get my birthday gift and they gave it to me, and I got the Laneige lip sleeping mask, and this came with a water sleeping mask and a water bank, and this is perfect. Honestly, like I can probably give this to Matt because he keeps stealing mine, and this is definitely the small version. Wait, let me just show you guys the difference. So I can probably give this to Matt so we can like stick in his pocket since he's been stealing mine, or I can just keep this in my purse, but I also happen to just buy these for both Andrew and Matthew, so I think this should be fine. Yeah, it's currently 7:58 p.m. Mia and Jerry are leaving in like 10 minutes. I'm so sad. And Matt and Andrew have been gone all day. Like we've had different schedules all day. They woke up early. Mia, Jerry, and I did not wake up early. And then they went to work out while we went to the mall. We're on 2 different schedules, but I'm actually sad because they're trying to get home in time before Jerry and Mia leave, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I'm gonna have to say goodbye to them, and it's been really fun having them here, and I'm sad.
Can I take this Sephora back?
Yeah.
You don't need to do a thumbnail haul.
No.
Shit. One of them YouTube things.
Ooh, I'm sad. It was really fun having them here. They are so fun to be around. They're literally so fucking cute together. So happy that Mia is happy. I think Matt just got here. I saw his car downstairs. So he should be here pretty soon. And I think he is gonna make salmon for tonight.
Why are you looking at me like that?
I got you something.
What'd you get me?
So you can stop stealing mine. Thank you very much.
Ooh, thank you, baby.
It goes on clear, but when you look at it, when you pull it out, it doesn't look like it goes on clear. But
So this
is
that brand?
Yeah, same
I
thing.
like the brand. Thank you,
I
baby.
got one for Andrew as well.
No way.
Yeah.
You're gonna be so stoked.
Well, both of you guys keep stealing my lip sleeping mask, and I'm like, yo, that shit's
Sorry.
mine. I mean, it's fine, but.
Why does it smell burnt?
My Pop-Tart, why did it burn? Did it burn? How did it burn?
Oh, it's not bad. Only half. Ooh, that's
Oh my God.
the Pop-Tart that was never meant to be.
How I feel about Mia and Jerry leaving right now. Oh my God, it's crumbling even worse. Bye-bye. I only made one, so I have another one to make. Yum. Look at that beautiful Pop-Tart. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my God, my Pop-Tart is like burning my paper towel. Either way, I'm about to eat this Pop-Tart even though I know Matt's gonna make us dinner in like an hour. I feel like I'm a little down. I hate when people leave. Ha! I feel like I'm always eating in my vlogs, guys. I'm sorry. I need to stop being awkward, so I'm gonna go eat the rest of this Pop-Tart and update you guys when I have something new going on. Chef Matthew back at it with some sweet potatoes. We got some alcohol
I need to
here.
nurture Tiffany after a long weekend. Long weekend of drinking and hanging out.
And eating out way too much. Do you feel pressure when I have the camera on you like this?
No, but I'm gonna force you to eat a few raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries because we have to
replenish our vitamins.
I don't want to eat anything but salmon and rice. There's no veggies or fruits and veggies going in my mouth.
Turn down beautiful berries that were bought for you. How does it look?
Great, you look beautiful.
What looks beautiful?
You.
So I have this new thing I call Tiffany, because she's always fishing. And I tell her to get her pole out of the pond, because it constantly stays in there. The pole stays in the pond. You're never not fishing.
I'm never fishing.
That is the biggest lie I've ever told on camera.
I don't know how I feel about this house. Don't get me wrong. Absolutely love this house, but the feeling of putting in an offer for this house versus the last house is like completely different, right? Like we're going into this, I mean, at least I'm going into this with a mindset of like, I really want this house, but I'm not gonna like...
I'm jaded.
I'm not gonna sulk for 5 days like we did last time.
It's kind of like your first heartbreak.
Yeah.
You're like devastated, but then the next heartbreaks aren't nearly as bad.
So you're saying if
I literally knew that was coming. The pole stays in the pond.
So
I'd be
you're
heartbroken for sure, but
not like your first heartbreak?
yeah, probably not. You're kidding.
You're not kidding though.
I mean, that sounds dramatic for the housing situation, but in the same way of you like grow from the experience, so it still hurts and stings, but you figure out like maybe better ways to like cope with it.
Yeah.
Even looking at the house and even talking and making the offer, I'm like, I really want this house, but I'm also not going to get too attached to it.
Like I feel like everyone like is obsessed with their first child, and then their second child they're like, oh, it's great. Like cool.
Well, I was a second child of 4, and
I was a third child.
and they were sick of you by then.
Because you're the first
they
son.
Were so,
I was the third girl.
they're
So
like, yeah, we've done this before.
You're right. Okay. But I guess for me, I feel like this is like the second child. This is what house buying looks like. It's very tedious and heartbreaking, but also very, I feel very detached.
Literally before you started filming, you're like, wait, I forgot we put an offer on a house.
I mean, it wasn't like I forgot. It was just like I haven't been thinking about it 24/7.
Yeah, it's difficult and fun. But imagine if you
Imagine if we got the phone call tomorrow that we got the house.
So you don't start thinking that way.
Hey guys, so I just finished dinner and holy cow, salmon from Matthew is literally the best thing ever. I just found out that Graham Stephan made a video on me and let me know if I should do a little like reaction to it. I don't know, I feel like there's a never ending cycle of content with Graham Stephan now because I feel like if I made a reaction to his reaction of my reaction, then he's gonna make a reaction of my reaction to his reaction of my reaction to his reaction. I don't know. It's a never-ending loop, guys. Let me know if I should do that if you guys are interested. But today's question of the day comes from Tharani De Silva. And the question of the day is, when do you want kids? It's funny because I feel like my thoughts and opinions on kids have evolved so much because I did not want kids at all. Then I met Matt and I was like, holy shit, like I can see kids with him. And I thought I wanted kids before I was 30, but I'm turning 28 this year, and with coronavirus happening, I just don't see that happening anymore because I definitely want to be engaged for at least like 2 years and then be married for 2 years and then have kids. So then like 4 years to 5 years from now is probably the timeline that's happening. Yeah, let me know, when do you guys want kids? That's a really good question. I'm always curious what people's answers are. I just thought like the younger you are, the better, because like you can be like kind of like a cool mom and there's less chances of like your kids having issues because the older you are, the more issues your children have, scientifically speaking. If you guys want to be featured at my next question of the day, make sure to comment down below some questions, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for another daily vlog. Sorry, like the last few days have been all over the place, but I just wanted to enjoy my time with my friends. But with that being said, Mia and Jerry have left. Andrew is leaving tomorrow, and hopefully by then I'll get back to a normal schedule. I love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Bye.
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 Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.